The 12-month hearing. How do you get your children back? Come with me and I want to tell you. My name is W.Davis. I'm an attorney here in California and I'm an expert in CPS cases. Come with me and I'll tell you about the 12-month hearing. The 12-month hearing in juvenile dependency cases is usually controlled by Welfare and Institutions Code section 366.21F. What happens is the 6-month hearing went by and you didn't get your children back. So there's a 12-month hearing. At this hearing, the social worker must prove that by a preponderance of evidence that you are still a risk of detriment to the child. If the social worker can prove that, the child will not be returned back to you, and the case may be continued for what's called a selection and implementation hearing, where you could lose all of your parental rights and lose the child forever. So in a lot of cases, this 12-month hearing is the last stand for you. Now there are 388s that you can file and other things you can do. Those aren't guaranteed hearings like the 12-month hearing. So in my opinion, you must set the 12-month hearing for contest. You must bring forth evidence, witnesses, and documentary evidence to show that you are not a risk of detriment to the child. I'm involved in a case right now where we're at the 12-month hearing and my client allegedly didn't do everything that he or she was supposed to do during the last 6 months. So one of the things that I've started doing is I have enlisted a psychologist to do a 730, evidence code 730, psychological evaluation on my client. The purpose for that evaluation is for the psychologist to evaluate my client and to opine, if possible, that he or she is not a risk of detriment to the child. That overcomes the burden of proof where the social worker says, you know, the parent is still a risk to the detriment to the child because he or she hasn't participated in the plan. That's a rebuttable presumption where you can bring forth evidence like a psychological evaluation to show that you're no longer a risk of detriment to the child, even though you didn't do all of the plan that was ordered by the judge. You know, you're probably watching this because you have questions. I handle questions like this every day. If you have questions, give me a call, 888-888-6582, and I'd love to answer your questions you have. You know, do me a favor. Click like on this video and subscribe to our channel so that I can continue to help you by making these videos available on my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.